Introducing the WFT-13 by Fermat, our signature flagship table-type horizontal boring machine. Every part of the WFT-13 is manufactured in-house in the Czech Republic, ensuring the highest standards of quality and reliability. Built from high-quality cast iron, the column and bed provide maximum rigidity, stability, and prolong machine's lifespan. Customization is a hallmark of Fermat. We understand that each project is unique, and that's why we offer a wide range of customization options to tailor your Fermat CNC machine to your specific needs. Optional features include various automatic milling heads, an automatic pallet changer, a chip conveyor, and an operator shield in cabin for enhanced safety and ease of use. In addition, Fermat machines have user-friendly interfaces that reduce training time and global support to minimize downtime. Ready to enhance your workshop with the WFT-13? Count on Fermat and contact us today to learn more about this machine and about our other products as well.